This is a 1984 Chevy Monte Carlo. This was the first car I ever bought when I was 15 years old, and I did all the paint and body work myself. It's painted in House of Color, Cortez Blue Pearl, and the front of it is scalped in Orion Silver. I did a lot to this car over the years. I wrecked it a whole bunch of times, so at one point I took it, stripped it all down to bare metal, and decided I was going to restore it, and this was the finished product. Won a couple trophies in car shows. That's the third place right there, the big one. The second one's second place, and the little plaque was the first place. So they got smaller as they went. A lot of time and effort was spent on this car. Pretty custom. It's got shaved door handles through the side. They open up our remote control, and looks really super clean. Put the billet grill in the front. Got all the chrome trim polished up. I went with a digital dash on this one, which was really interesting. And it used to be a 6-cylinder, and had this stripped out, put a 350 in, and there she is right there. I chromed everything that was possible to chrome. This has got the floor shifter, just like the SS did, and it's kind of low ridered out. Did this in the late 90s. So it's got the crushed velvet interior, shaved door handles right there, a little airbrushing on the back. And there's some scallops up close and the silver up close. This was a fun car, and here's what it looked like when I got it in 1995.